nice and easy.
Oh, that bite, that's
We're all
perfect.
settling in like a little buffet line.
Couldn't ask for calmer diners. Easy, right down the center. Good boy.
He's keeping a steady 0.18 meters per second. Perfect.
We'll nudge him right before the turn.
Copy that. Data's clean.
Kale first, then the papaya.
Got it.
He's curious today.
Hydration stable. Shell temperature's good.
Nice steady bite. Let's note that down.
Copy. Recording response is positive.
Beautiful. Let them finish at their own pace.
Keep moving right along the
Shell
edge.
surface smooth, growth rings clear. Marking is optimal.
Copy that. Moisture looks perfect. I'm topping up.
Movement rhythm even, no favoring of limbs. Excellent.
Let her glide through here, nice and calm.
The marginal scutes are more pronounced too.
I'll add a still frame to the record when they clear the lens. Good. Let's keep it.
In a climate-controlled lab above the factory floor, researchers study the next generation of synthetic colonians. The team records how the gel interacts with the layered composite shell, projected in real time as living data. The microarm measures each ripple of stress.
Growth rings here more pronounced than last year. See that right along this
Thickness
ridge?
is consistent, getting 4 millimeters on the outer edge.
Perfect. Mark it down.
Number 12 is drifting left. A tap should bring her back.
Got it. Shell edge 31.8 Celsius. Nice and steady.
Breathing is clear on this one. Slow but strong.
Copy.
Logging it.
They look calm today. Good rhythm in the flippers.
Let's keep them steady all the way.
Going down for tray 3.
Copy. Bite force looks strong on 42. He's taking the watermelon clean.
Shell flexion steady, appetite high, noted.
Easy there, buddy. Tray's right here.
Hear that crunch? Perfect.
Marking active chewing strength.
Excellent.
Everyone's settled. Let's keep the trays topped up.
The pupils are even and responsive. Good hydration response, too.
Texture along the seam feels firm but flexible. No cracking.
Great. Temperature's holding at 25.8.
Copying that. I'll mark it normal.
They're all remarkably calm today.
Guess they like the spot.
Mesh alignment holding at sub-micron accuracy, bringing the shell center up for inspection.
Contrast adjusted. Reflectance gain steady. Texture depth is beautifully clean.
Zooming on the ocular region, blink registered, we got it.
Finalizing.
Capture complete.
Perfect. That's a flawless map.
Integrity scan is clean. Microfracture readings at 0.02.
Copy that. Rotating for lateral pass.
And we've got a passcode. Good to release.
Next one looks like a loggerhead variant. Adjusting pattern map. Integrity scan is clean. Microfracture readings at 0.02.
Copy that. Rotating for lateral pass.
And we've got a passcode. Good to release.
Next one looks like a loggerhead variant. Adjusting pattern map. Integrity scan is clean. Microfracture readings at 0.02.
Copy that. Rotating for lateral pass.
And we've got a passcode. Good to release.
Next one looks like a loggerhead variant. Adjusting pattern map.